Hi, this is Joshua with Impress Computers, and today we're going to go over one of the worst viruses that you could probably get on your server or system. It's the crypto virus. This server here, one of our clients, they actually got the crypto virus installed on their machine. And if you can take a look here, this is essentially what comes up on every single file that you have on your machine. And it's just basically an explanation of, where you can go to get your data back. I wouldn't suggest actually doing that and paying the ransom. Most of the time, it probably won't even work. And depending on how old the crypto virus is on the machine, depends on, if you can get it back or not. But normally, I would suggest not doing that. And luckily for them, this company actually has a local backup and an online backup. So even if the local backup got infected, we still have everything on their online backup. So we're able to restore all the data back onto their server. No issues as far as data loss or anything like that. So they are also part of the managed service, client. So we were able to do this and make it real quick for them. And pretty much they didn't have any downtime when it came to that. So, if you have a problem with this or you need a solution or want to prevent this, just give us a call at 281-647-9977 and we can take care of it for you. Thank you.